Let's dive into the technical analysis of Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, as of February 18th, 2025, focusing on their USD valuations and the broader altcoin market. Bitcoin, BTC, technical analysis. As of the latest data, Bitcoin is trading at $95,400, reflecting a slight decline of approximately 1.23% from the previous close. The intraday high reached $96,666, while the low was $95,112, indicating a relatively narrow trading range. On the daily chart, Bitcoin is exhibiting a bearish trend with the price below the 50-day exponential moving average, EMA, suggesting continued downward pressure. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is approaching the oversold territory, indicating potential for a short-term rebound. Key support levels to monitor are $94,500 and $90,000. A break below $94,500 could lead to a retest of the $90,000 level. Conversely, resistance is observed around $98,000 with a potential move towards $100,000 if this level is surpassed. Ethereum, ETH. Technical analysis. Ethereum is currently trading at $2,680.72, marking a decline of about 4.84% from the previous close. The intraday high was $2,819.60, and the low was $2,657.17, indicating a broader trading range compared to Bitcoin. ETH is also in a bearish phase, trading below the 50-day EMA. The RSI is nearing oversold levels, suggesting a possible short-term correction. Immediate support is at $2,700, with a potential drop to $2,500 if this level fails to hold. Resistance is identified at $2,850, and a break above this could target $3,000. Altcoin market overview. The altcoin market is experiencing mixed performance. Ethereum has shown resilience, holding above the $2,700 support level, bolstered by institutional interest and strong network fundamentals. Conversely, other altcoins like Solana, SOL, and Cardano, ADA, are facing downward pressure, with SOL testing support around $176.47 and ADA trading lower at $0.780. The overall cryptocurrency market capitalization stands at $3,150 billion, reflecting a 1.49% decline. This downturn is partly attributed to macroeconomic factors, including recent U.S. Consumer Price Index, CPI data, which came in slightly above expectations, indicating persistent inflationary pressures. Conclusion: both Bitcoin and Ethereum are navigating bearish trends with potential for short-term corrections. Investors should monitor key support and resistance levels closely, as well as broader market indicators, to inform their trading strategies. Given the inherent volatility of the cryptocurrency market, staying updated with the latest market analyses and news is crucial for making informed decisions. Let's take a deeper dive into a more detailed analysis of Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and the current state of the altcoin market as of today, February 18th, 2025. Bitcoin, BTC. Detailed technical analysis. Price overview. Bitcoin is currently trading at approximately $95,400, showing a slight decrease of 1.23% from its previous close. This decrease highlights Bitcoin's vulnerability to short-term market fluctuations, especially given the current macroeconomic environment. Intraday high, $96,666. Intraday low, $95,112. Current price, $95,400. Trend indicators: 50-day exponential moving average, EMA. Bitcoin is trading below its 50-day EMA, which is a bearish signal. The 50-day EMA often acts as a dynamic resistance level, and Bitcoin's price action below this suggests a lack of bullish momentum. 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA is still above the current price, confirming that Bitcoin remains in a long-term uptrend, although the short-term action is showing bearish signals. Key support and resistance levels. Support levels. $94,500, a critical support level. If Bitcoin breaks below this level, we might see a continuation towards $90,000. $90,000. This is another strong support zone. A failure to hold this level could signal deeper corrections in the market. $87,500. The next level of significant support should Bitcoin continue its downward trend. Resistance levels. $98,000. This is an immediate resistance level formed by prior price action. A push above this could indicate that Bitcoin may be ready to test the $100,000 mark. $100,000. A psychological resistance level and key milestone. If Bitcoin breaks above $100,000, it could trigger another wave of buying, pushing the price higher. Technical oscillators. RSI, Relative Strength Index. The RSI is hovering around 40 to 45, which indicates that Bitcoin is not yet in the oversold territory, but is approaching it. A drop below 30 would suggest that the market is oversold and a reversal could be imminent. MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The MACD is showing a negative crossover, which confirms the current bearish sentiment in the market. This means that the short-term moving average is below the long-term moving average, which is a sign of potential further downside. Ethereum, ETH. Detailed technical analysis, price overview. Ethereum is currently trading around $2,680.72, reflecting a 4.84% drop from the previous day. Ethereum's decline is steeper compared to Bitcoin, which suggests some underlying weakness. Intraday high, 2,819.60. Intraday low, 2,657.17. Current price, 2,680.7. Two trend indicators. 50-day EMA. Ethereum is also trading below its 50-day EMA, confirming the current bearish trend. However, it is in a similar position to Bitcoin, where there could be potential for a bounce in the near future. 200-day SMA. The 200-day SMA is still holding strong above the current price, suggesting Ethereum is in a long-term uptrend, but near-term technicals are weak. Key support and resistance levels. Support levels. $2,700. Immediate support. Ethereum has tested this level multiple times in recent days. A failure to hold could push the price toward the next support at $2,500. $2,500, a more significant support zone. A breakdown below this would likely trigger a more substantial bearish move. $2,300, the next potential support zone where Ethereum may find temporary relief. Resistance levels, $2,850, the most immediate resistance. If Ethereum breaks above this level, it could initiate a move toward $3,000. $3,000. A significant psychological resistance level and a place where a lot of selling could occur. Technical oscillators, RSI, Relative Strength Index. Ethereum's RSI is approaching 40, indicating that it is nearing the oversold condition. A slight dip below 30 could signal an upward reversal potential. MACD, like Bitcoin, Ethereum's MACD is also showing a negative crossover, indicating continued bearish momentum. A positive crossover could offer a bullish signal, but for now the market remains focused on downside risk. Volume and momentum. Ethereum has also experienced lower than average volume during the recent decline, indicating weak selling pressure, but also lack of significant buying support. The next price move will likely be dictated by a surge in volume to confirm a breakout. Altcoin market overview. Key altcoins in focus. Solana, SOL. Currently priced at $176.47, showing significant volatility. Solana has been one of the top performers over the past few months, but it has also faced heavy resistance at the $180 mark. Cardano ADE, trading at $0.780, ADE has been one of the weaker performers, unable to break through its resistance zone at $0.820 despite positive news about network upgrades. General market sentiment,